Hey guys, and I'm back with playing with my dog again. This time it's just going to be playing, me playing with my dog. So we're going to go ahead and start playing with him. Hey Max, you ready to play? I'm going to grab your ball. Give me your ball. Oh, no. Come here. Give me your ball. Drop it. I'll go grab another ball. Max, want it? Get it. Get it. Oh, messing up bad. Hey, Max, what are you doing? Huh? You gonna grab your frisbee? Here. Look at it. Oh! Sorry, Max. Sorry. Here. Frisbee. Get it. Give me frisbee. Give me frisbee, Max. Oh, you want me to play with your ball? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. 1 second. 1 second, guys. I gotta get the ball from him. Bad news. Can't get the ball from him, so I'm just gonna go on this frisbee. 1 second. Max. Max. Get it. Come here, Max. Come here with me. Give me your frisbee. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Give me it. Give me it. Come on. You're such a cute doggy, huh? Yeah. You say hi, Max. Huh? Yeah. Give me your frisbee. Oh, yeah. Frisbee now. Go get it. Grab it. Come on, Max. Ow! You gonna drop it for me? You gonna drop it? Max, drop it, please. Give me this. Ready? Oh, no! No! Go get it. Hey, Max. Are you gonna come here, or do I have to come over there? Oh, you little. What are we gonna do with you, huh? Give me a frisbee. Come on. Come on. I'm trying to get that frisbee from you for 10 seconds already.